beauties. So today I thought it would be super fun to hop on and do a Grinch makeup look. So this is the new palette from ColourPop that just came out for the holidays, for the winter season. So there's some absolutely gorgeous colors in here. I did do a look the other day for, shorts, YouTube shorts, but and my reels and things like that, but I used the green color. So today I was thinking of reaching into the deeper. So what do you guys think? But I still feel like you need green to do the Grinch, but I figure we'll do a pop of green. What do you think? But I really wanted to reach into this color today. So let's go ahead and try it. And I've been doing this a little bit of a new kind of liner hack, so I wanted to try that too with these colors. So what you did was I just took the deepest color in the palette. So I'm just taking an angled brush, and then I'm just going to put that along the lash line, and then I'm not going to really pull it out too much, just a little with my finger. Yeah, that's it. Look how pigmented it is. It just did it so fast. I did this with another palette the other day, and it took it took much longer to get the pigment to come out right, to get it look dark like that. But this is very dark. Actually, it looks, oh, is it like more like a chocolatey color? It actually looked in the pan. Yeah. Oh, actually, I thought it was like a deep kind of cranberry or burgundy, but it's not. Oh, is it? It is like a hybrid. It has a little bit of a little bit of that cranberry-esque. It's also chocolatey. So beautiful. So, and look at it, it's so pigmented. I hope there's no, let me try to make sure there's no fallout. So that's all you do right there. And then you take kind of a smudger brush, and we're going to use a different shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take, this is actually more of a traditional cranberry color. So, or burgundy color. So I'm going to just take this little shader brush from BK Beauty and just smudge out that liner. So let me grab my mirror again. Did you guys see BK Beauty is in Ulta now? Isn't that amazing? So you could go in store and pick up your favorite brushes or order them online. So I'm just going to blend out that line, that kind of little wing we did with the shadow with the cranberry shade. So, and this has been staying beautifully for me with my hooded eyes. It's very hard generally for wing liners to stay because the hooding kind of gets sucked. The hooding sucks it all up. But I did this the other day and it stayed. I couldn't believe it. I was so happy. And now look at how beautiful that cranberry color is. Isn't that beautiful? So let's go into another shade now and we'll buff it out. So let me just grab a sort of a fluffy brush. So just take this kind of brush here, and then I'm going to take this kind of muted matte pink and just put that into the crease. But we do need a mirror. You're like, you do not have a mirror, Alegra. Okay, let's grab a mirror because we need to see what we're doing here. Oh, see, now that is very vibrant. Of course, we could buff it out, but it's like almost a hot pink a little bit. But okay, the more you blend it, it's becoming more of a muted, wash. That is beautiful. I feel like that looks candy-esque. So this is like Christmas candy. What do you guys think? So just gonna put this in the crease, which is amazing. If you have the hooded eyes, a matte shade in the crease, it's really gonna help you out. So how is your guys' holidays going so far? I've been having the blast shopping. I picked up, I don't know if you saw my Vlogmas. I've been doing Vlogmas. So just hopping on every day, and I'm actually exhausted. It's like a lot because today I had to go to the city. I had appointments, so it's like a lot. So but it's so much fun. And I'm so happy that you guys are spending time with me, and I'm having fun with you guys. So that's the good news. Actually, let's take some of that pink shade and smudge that on the lower, under the lower lashes like that. Okay, guys, so I just took a little bit of this. This is like a baby pink, and it's matte, and it's so gorgeous. I just put it right in there, and wow, it just really made such a huge impact. It just made such a beautiful effect. Because sometimes to get an effect like that, being that I'm so pale, when you have pale skin, it's hard to get light colors to show up on you. But that color did show up amazingly, beautifully. So I'm so happy. And now I'm just kind of sweeping it inwards. So what do you guys think? Isn't that beautiful? I love it. If they had that shadow as a single, I would buy it just I don't know what I would do with it, but I would do anything I could with it. It's so beautiful. And we need some shimmer, right? We cannot be without a little bit of shimmer. Now, see, I don't want to reach, I do want to reach for the green though, because it's festive. But of course this would be, you know, traditional, perfect. This white one or one of the gold or pink tones. But look at that green. Maybe we should put a green and a pink. Let's just see for fun. Let's put one of these. This one is, oh, this is so beautiful right here. This one. It's not wet. I think I should, or you know, I know with these, the finger is the best. So let me go. Wow. That, I don't, again, I'm not using my mirror, so we need to use the mirror. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. But I need to use this brush to get it right in there. But look at that. I hope you could see that's beautiful. Let me just wet it just to see if it will come out even more shimmery and iridescent. It's so gorgeous. Wow. So I just wet it. I just want to see. Oh yes, when you wet that shadow, it's even more stunning. So wow, this is really nice for holidays. I was not expecting this. I just want to put a little bit of green though, just for the fun, because you have to, you can't do Grinch without some green. So I'm taking the green just in the center. Although I love that. Look at that green. It's beautiful. It's just, oh, it's just like a work of art. I want to put it all over, to be honest. I just want to keep putting that green on. Oh, because it's so pretty and it goes so beautifully with the other shimmer shadow. So I have this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. I'm just going to bring this into the look just to deepen up the little wing that we did here. So I'm just running this along the lashes. And it's just going to help everything to stay in place better. And then I've been doing this too lately, which I love. And you just take a brush into your liner and you make your wing with that so it comes out softer. So there is that. And I'm going to do this eye. But yeah, have you guys done your all your holiday shopping yet? Did you guys see there's so much drama with Jaclyn Hill? I cannot believe it. And I was watching a video on YouTube, like Tea Spill or something, and I thought this doesn't sound like that much of a drama. But then I went on TikTok today. Oh my gosh, my For You page was blowing up with people doing, you know, satire, people, you know, acting out the video, I guess, where she said, you know, why aren't people watching her videos? And people, they were just going off on her. I mean, maybe she doesn't care, because a lot of people do think, like a lot of people do think that they don't care what people are saying about them as long as they're talking about them. So like they say, haters make me famous and things like that. People on TikTok were saying, oh, I didn't even know who she was. Because Jaclyn Hill was like, oh, my girlies are on Instagram. And people were saying, yeah, I don't know who she is on the app, on TikTok. They were saying, I have no idea who she is. Because I guess they might be like 20, who knows how old. You know, they just didn't follow YouTube back in the day. So if you didn't follow YouTube, like you're probably not going to know who she is. So and then she said, tell me why you're not watching my video. She goes, I'm only getting 30,000 views. And people just went off. Like people are just really giving it to her. But I guess, I'm sure, I think like she'd probably, I don't know if she cares. I don't know. But what do you guys think? Like, I was thinking, you know, she said all of her followers are on Instagram. So then, you know what I mean? Go on Instagram. What's the big deal? Like, you know, I feel like on Instagram, I'm not trying to say anything, but I feel like there's a lot of haters on Instagram. So I'm not saying her, obviously she said she has girlies and friends and followers on Instagram, so that's great for her. I personally, a lot of times it was virtually impossible for me to go on Instagram because there's so many real life haters on Instagram. I mean, of course I'm not talking about any of you beauties. Like, I love chit-chatting with you. I'm not talking about you guys. I'm talking about people like people from that you might know in real life. They seem to congregate on Instagram. So I used to love to go on Instagram, chit-chat about makeup, look at makeup, do my makeup looks for fun, because I enjoy it, because it's my fun time, my hobby, my love, etc., etc. Oh no, and that was all great. A few years go by, everybody finds out about Instagram. Everybody's now showing up on Instagram to come and be like, oh, why do you wearing makeup like that? Why are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you know, I'm talking about real life people, neighbors, people like that, family members, all the people in the world, in-law, you know. Let me just show you real quick. This is the Grinch lip kit. This is the Who, the girl with the Susie Who. I don't. Here's the lip liner. It's a lip kit, and you get the lip liner and the lip. It's like a lip plumping gloss, the clickable gloss. This is plumping. This does have that peppermint sensation. It feels so good. The lip liner has it, and I believe this has it too, because I tried this on the other day. It's lip plumping, but it's not burning. But you do feel, oh, it's so pretty. But I do love when I wear pink makeup to have some shimmer. So let's put a little shimmer kind of on. So I'll just put some of this glow powder on here because I like, yes. And I always was never putting glow powder on the center of my face. I was only doing it like a highlighter. But I like to do it like under here too. I think that looks really nice. It kind of gives your skin like a dewy look. Just makes you look like you're glowing. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Filter Powder. This is so beautiful. So what do you guys think of that whole situation with Jaclyn? Who cares? I was like, who cares, right? It was interesting to me though, how the people, they were doing some funny, it's, you know, they were just acting it out. There was one girl, she was acting it out, like satire, and I said, this girl needs an Emmy Award or Oscar. She was like the best actress ever. She did so many funny mannerisms, and it was just so funny. And then she, you know, I clicked on her page, and she was like a real estate agent. I was like, well, I said, girl, you missed your calling. This one girl, I said, you need to have gone straight to Hollywood. She was so funny. She belonged like on The Office, but better. She was better than that. She was like better than those kind of actors. Friends. Oh, you know what I wanted to say, guys? Jaclyn Hill, though, I saw her come out on one of these videos, and she goes, oh, guys, I guess she was trying to sound relatable. She goes, you guys know I used to be on food stamps and all that. I was thinking, didn't she see any of these videos and how it all came out that her father's like was a millionaire, and she had like so much money, and I was like, didn't she see that? Because she was still, the other day she came up on TikTok, I guess she thought people forgot or didn't know because didn't know about YouTube maybe. She thinks maybe on TikTok people forgot or don't know because they didn't go watch YouTube. Isn't that what's her name said? One time I heard this, what was her name? She said that a lot of people went to TikTok because they thought that YouTube had outed them. So they thought people on TikTok don't know about them. So they were going to start fresh. So maybe that's because she was telling the story. Guys, I was on welfare and I was on food stamps. Meanwhile, her father is a multi-millionaire. So like if you were on food stamps and your father was a multi-millionaire and bought you this lavish wedding and all kinds of expensive dogs, maybe that wasn't the right thing, because that's food stamps and welfare is for people that don't have. Like, not for people that our family is millionaires buying them lavish weddings and dogs and stuff like that. So, I don't know, guys. I'm just saying because remember that all came out on YouTube like years ago. Like everybody said, oh my gosh. You know, the girl comes from a millionaire family. Like, what are you talking about? She was on welfare. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think of this Grinch palette. It is absolutely stunning in my humble opinion. Wow. Oh, I'm trying to find it without messing my makeup up. Okay. Wow. I would love to do another look with this and just even do like a smoky eye and just pack one of these burgundy shades all over the lid and do, you know, blend it out, or maybe put some shimmer on top of those. Oh my gosh, there's so many options. Look at this beautiful shade for daytime. Oh, there's so many fun things to do with this palette. Let's put a little bit of this down here. What do you think? I just can't stop. It's so much fun. Do you guys see the sparkle? I hope that you can see it. I'll be back soon, guys. Of course, I'm going to announce our giveaway winner and share the new giveaway. So I know I've been saying that, but I didn't have time to put it together the other day, but tomorrow I definitely will do that. So thank you guys so much for spending today with me. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you all think of the newest drama, the Jaclyn Hill drama. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you think of this beautiful ColourPop palette and blush and lip kit. What do you guys think? Let me know. And that's pretty much it. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.